Lesson 20. One man in a boat. First listen and then answer the question. Why is fishing the writer's favorite sport?
Fishing is my favorite sport. I often fish for hours without catching anything.
But this does not worry me. Some fishermen are unlucky. Instead of catching fish, they catch old boots and rubbish. I am even less lucky. I never catch anything, not even old boots. After having spent whole mornings on the river, I always go home with an empty bag. You must give up fishing, my friends say. It's a waste of time. But they don't realize one important thing. I'm not really interested in fishing. I am only interested in sitting in a boat and doing nothing at all.